Welcome back, supercar enthusiasts. Today we have some thrilling news from the automotive world. First up, Renault is making waves by introducing the Calvin 40, a headless robot designed for heavy lifting tasks in their factories. Slated for deployment by 2027, Renault aims to implement a fleet of 350 of these robots. The goal? To reduce production time per vehicle by an astonishing 30%. Unlike its more humanoid competitors, Calvin 40 is focused on efficiency, tackling repetitive tasks with ease. Next, let's shift gears to the realm of supercars. Rumor has it that Ferrari is gearing up for the reveal of their highly anticipated hybrid model that promises to combine speed with eco-friendliness. Set to impress fans at the upcoming auto show, this model is expected to set benchmarks in performance. Stay tuned for more updates. In other news, Lamborghini's latest offering has caught everybody's attention with its breathtaking design and unmatched performance metrics. The Aventador successor is expected to blend traditional craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology, redefining what we know about supercars. Lastly, we can't forget about Bugatti. They've released teasers of an ultra-exclusive model that's rumored to break records for speed. This limited edition marvel is sure to wow collectors and speed enthusiasts alike. So, what do you think of Renault's new robotics endeavor? And which supercar are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for the latest in supercar news.